Namaste, beaches. Here we are. It's bitch yoga. Guys, if you have access to a bitch, come on down. If not, get outside. It's still summer. All right? So, you know the drill. This is beginner friendly. You do whatever feels right to your body, and we have fun. Capiche? Let's go. Naturally, bitch yoga is shoeless. So we're going to work a lot with our feet today. So we're going to warm up starting with the feet. Inhale. Right foot forward and just make circles. Just make circles with that right foot. One more. Good, and just switch directions. Good, switching directions. If you know the Ujjayi breath, we start to breathe with Ujjayi. If not, just try to breathe in and out through the nostrils. All class long. Good, one more round. Good, and release. Good, we'll switch. Left foot up, extend the leg straight, and then make big circles. You go faster, you go slow, you go at your own speed. Just connect with your breath. It might help to keep your eyes closed. Good, one more round. And switch directions. Notice if you have any clicks and clacks. Notice if one side is easier than the other, one direction easier than the other. Because this is just a practice of noticing, that's all. One more round. Good, and release. Good, now shake out the right foot. Shake, 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 shake it out. Good. Inhale, spread the toes wide, all 5 toes. Exhale, squeeze like a ball. Good, 2 more. Inhale, open up the toes. Exhale, squeeze in. 1 more. And release. And switch. Inhale, left foot up. And open the toes as wide as possible. And good. And then exhale, squeeze like a ball together. Good. Just do 3 rounds on your own. Good. And release. Good. From here, feet are hips width apart. And the feet are totally parallel like train tracks. Good. And then hands to the knees, bend the knees. And we're just going to make circles with the knees. Good, fast or slow, breathe. Good, 1 more round. Good, and then just switch directions of the circles. Good, 1 more round. Good, and release. Shake out both legs. Good. Now we're gonna move into the shoulders. So shoulder rolls. Remember, keep those feet parallel, hips width apart. It's our base position, nice and strong. We're just stacking the joints. So hips, knees, ankles in a line. Good, and then shoulder rolls, shoulder circles. Do about 5 breaths forward and then 5 breaths backwards. Good, and release. Good, now from here, just shake it out. Shake out the legs, shake out the arms. Guys, one of the fundamental poses of this practice is going to be chair pose. So if all these suggestions, if they don't feel right to you, just stay in chair. All right, guys, we're going to work with chair pose today. So when we go down, we're going to go down to the count of 3. So go down slow for 1, 2, 3, and then explode up for 1. 1, 2, 3, both arms, of course, and 1. Got it? All right, let's go. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, and explode up for 1. We'll do about 5 rounds. Keep with the breath. 1, 2, 3, down, 1 up. Good, few more. Couple more. Good, and shake it out. Good, we're going to do 1 long, slow hold. So inhale, come all the way down to your seat. Good, and from the bottom, we're going to hold. From here, hold. Some of us are going to want to bounce, so just gently bouncing the hips up and down, keeping that hold. We're going to stay for about 5 breaths. Bouncing a little lower, and slowly release. Inhale the arms up, and shake it out. Good, shake it out, and round 2. So we're gonna inhale to the count of 3 as you lower, and exhale, come up to 1. We're gonna do 5 rounds. Inhale, slowly sit down to the count of 3. Exhale, up for 1. Each round a little slower. Good, 2 more. Good, and shake it out. Maybe jumping, just release any tension from the body. Good, now we're gonna inhale the chair pose. Good, and then exhale, release the arms. Inhale, sweep the arms up to the sky. Exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale to chair pose. Good, we're gonna make a flow out of that. Good, release. Inhale the arms up to the sky, look up, maybe back bend. Good, and then exhale, arms down to chair pose. Inhale the arms up, maybe back bend. Good, and then exhale the arms down. Inhale, chair pose. Sweep the arms up, maybe back bend. Exhale all the way down. Good, 2 more. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, release. Good, and shake it out. Good. Now from here, inhale the arms up to the sky, look up, and then exhale, fold all the way down to the ground. Good, feet are hips width apart. From here, inhale, come halfway up, look forward, and then exhale, fold all the way down. Use your hands to pull yourself. Good, inhale, sweep the arms all the way up to the sky, look up, back bend. Exhale, hands in front of the heart, prayer position. Exhale, release the arms. Inhale, sweep the arms up to the sky, look up and back bend, and exhale, fold all the way down to the ground. Inhale, come halfway up, hands to shins, look forward, and exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale, sweep the arms all the way up to the sky, maybe look up, back bend, and then exhale, hands in front of the heart in a prayer position. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, sweep the arms up to the sky, look up, maybe back bend. Exhale, fold all the way down to the ground. Inhale, hands to shins, come halfway up. And then exhale, fold all the way down. Good. Once again, inhale, press through the feet. Inhale the arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, hands in front of the heart in a prayer position. Good, and then shake it out. Inhale. Left leg up and press the feet to the sides. We got wide legs here. Keep the legs nice and strong, so press your feet. Inhale, sweep the arms up to the sky, and then exhale, fold from the hips all the way down. Good, we're gonna grab opposite elbows and just hang here. Let gravity do the work. Good, and we're just try playing with switching your hands to your elbows. Good, so switch left and right, left and right. We're gonna use the intuitive knowledge of the body, just flow where it wants to go. Good. So just use your breath. And think about each exhale. Try to press a little bit closer of that head to the ground. Good, so try to use gravity. Try to bounce. Good, and then inhale. Sweep the arms up to the sky. Exhale. Bend into the left knee. Straighten the right leg. Maybe lift the toes up and just bounce into that leg. Inhale. Sweep the arms up to the sky. Good, and then exhale. Just switch. So dropping in your hips as low as you possibly can, maybe bouncing. Good. Inhale. Arms up to the sky, look up. Maybe back bend. Exhale, hands in front of the heart in a prayer position, and then bend into that knee. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, switch sides. So you just go at your own speed. Inhaling to center. Exhale, bending into opposite sides. Couple more rounds. Each round, try to go a little lower. Bouncing. Good. Couple last rounds. Bouncing a little bit lower. Good, and then from here, keep the body in the center. Just gently bend one knee, the opposite knee, just a couple rounds. Inhale, sweep the arms up to the sky. Maybe look up, maybe back bend. Exhale, hands in front of the heart in a prayer position. And then jump the feet forward together and then shake it out. Good, shake it out. Good, we're gonna lie on our backs. So clear the space and lie on your back and squeeze your knees into the chest. Good, and we're just gonna roll from side to side. Good, so just give your spine a nice massage here. Side to side, and maybe we're going to come forward and backward. So hands to the knees, inhale the knees back, and then exhale forward. So just roll along the spine using the momentum from your knees. So swing the knee back and then push the knee forward, shake it out. Good. Just a few rounds massaging the spine. Good. Shake it out. Good. And then Baddha Konasana. So soles of the feet together. Let the knees splay open to the side and arms to the side, palms to the sky in a receiving gesture. A few breaths. Good, and exhale, just relax. Notice the sounds of the beach, the sound of the water. Good, and we're going to make, remember like snow angels, we're going to make sand angels. So keeping the feet in Baddha Konasana, just inhale, extend the arms overhead, touch them together, and then exhale. Run the arms all the way along the spine. Good, so just make nice sand angels, or if you're in the grass angels. Just making big circles with the shoulders. Make it feel nice. Good, and then from here, inhale, squeeze the knees into the chest. A couple breaths. Good, and we're gonna do a twist. So knees together, drop the knees from one side as high up, closest to the elbows you possibly can, and then exhale, switch. Inhale, center, exhale, drop the knees to the side. Inhale, center, and switch. Good, just a few rounds. Inhale, center, exhale, release. Inhale, center. Good, and then from here, leave the knees to one side and look over the opposite side. So looking over to the opposite fingertips and just relax. Good, we'll be here. Good, 8 breaths. So each exhale, just try to relax. Feel the sensation of your skin into the sand or into the grass or into your mat or whatever surface. Just feel your skin touching the surface, and each exhale, relax. A few last breaths, see if you can relax a little deeper. Good. Slowly inhale to center and then exhale, switch. Try to bring those knees as high up as you can, as close as the elbow as possible. You can use that hand to rest on top of the knee, guide it to the ground, and then look over the opposite shoulder into your fingertips. Be careful that you're not tensing in the neck, so maybe nodding the head yes, shaking it no. And once again, just feel the sensation of your skin as it touches the surface, whatever surface. 5 more breaths, just try to relax. Each exhale, relax a little deeper. A little deeper, last couple breaths. Good. Slowly, slowly inhale, knees into the center. And that's it. We'll take Shavasana. So exhale. Shavasana. And just release any tension from the body. Namaste. Thank you so much for coming. Take at least 1 minute in Shavasana. If you've got the water, come on into the water. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.